through with a 99J bone straight banger. Look at her. Okay, she's a 13x4 lace, super beautiful lace. All right, already a bit tinted. Okay, can you guys see that? She's just really, really pretty. Okay, I really am excited about this one. She's 24 inches of Love, Sex, and Magic. She has 2 combs on the sides, 1 at the, in the back. Adjustable straps, Wakanda Forever. Really a beautiful, beautiful unit. All right, now let's get on into this bomb AF unit. So this unit again is from Nadula.com. Okay, yes, I'm waist training right now, so no judgment. I thought that I was going to go through with the Velcro rollers and get this unit together. And then when I saw her on, I said, change a motherfucking plans, okay? I love this unit. I'm just going to go on through with my bold hold, okay? That's what I'm using right now, bold hold. And I'm just going to get this together. So full disclosure, I think I did about 3 layers of the bold hold. Now, let me tell you my experience with this. I let it dry. You want to make sure that it actually dries clear before you lay the wig down, okay? So that's like the very first thing that you got to do. Now, let me say this. This unit stayed on my head for exactly 72 hours. And after 72 hours, I had to actually forcefully pull this wig up off my Mamie Tatum head. And that's all because of the Boho Liquid Gold, okay? I did not have to reapply it. I did not go through and try to do it again. That's just what happened. Like, it really did last for 3 days. So because I want to keep up with the integrity of this beautiful unit, all right, and everything that they are giving us with this, I am just going to go on through. I'm just going to go on through and really straighten this unit out and get her together because she was stunning. She really did not require me to do much of anything to her but put the on my head, okay? So sorry for yelling at you guys, but I need y'all to know just how easy this unit was to get together. The most important thing was laying that lace. And then after that, Mother did all the work. So I'm just going to straighten her out, get her together, and I'm going to see you guys on the other side. Cute, bitch.